Meaning of EU.
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 EU. EU stands for the European Union, which is a political and economic union of 27 member states located primarily in Europe. It was established in 1993 with the aim of fostering economic cooperation and promoting peace and stability among its member countries. The EU operates through a system of institutions and laws that apply across all member states, and it has its own currency, the euro. The EU has also taken steps to address other issues, such as climate change and human rights violations.